Alliance already Goenkara जाय की everyone has to go forward together. Goenkara जाय की जो mistake in the past केल्ल्यो, खास करून mistake with defection आणि हे सगळे म्हाका दिसता हें बंद जावपाक जाय. And it has to be a full stop to it. So related to that, I think the Congress party, we are fighting several issues. We are fighting these defectors in the court. And the Congress party will not tolerate these defectors. It's a very clear message, Maharashtra. And the party has lost faith within the people because of these defectors. And whether direct or indirect, your entry or only the Congress party has decided that we are against this defect.
Election कशें वयतले आतां? Alliance करून वयतले काय?
Alliance जावपाकूच जाय. Alliance जावपाकूच जाय. Alliance जावपाक इज द नीड ऑफ द आर. ही जें पण हांवें सांगलें एक ऑपोजिशना मदें ग्रँड ऑपोजिशन अलायन्स हें जावपाकूच जाय. हें गोंयकारां जाय. सो आनी हें तरी आमचे मदीं जर आमी डिवायड करतले फायट बीजेपी जातलो.
बट अशी एक न्यूज असली की तुमच्या हायकमांडा मध्ये मातशें हें असलें की अलायन्स वचपाक
कोणाक कांय हें ना. सो एवरी वन वॉन्ट्स की गोंयकार शूड युनायट. वी आर नॉट सेल्फिश, बट एट द सेम टायम वी हॅव सर्टन प्रिंसिपल्स, सर्टन व्हॅल्यूज and certain things that our party has fought for. And one part was bringing in a strong anti-defection law, which was a part of our manifesto, because the way these defections are being carried is not in the interest of it is not in the interest of our Samvidhan also. So this is very important. People are fed up of this type of news.
गोवा फॉरवर्ड पार्टीचो एकट्यान जो काँग्रेसीन पयलीं आशिल्लो मागीर बीजेपीन गेलो, मागीर बीजेपींतल्यान परत काँग्रेसीन आयलो आनी आतां ताका गोवा फॉरवर्डान परत भितर घेतला. ताचेर कितें डिस्कशन जालें?
तेजे discussion, the Goa Forward Party, I will not comment. That is up to them. But I believe that the Congress has given a very clear message that any sort of defectors will not be tolerated. This is something, whether directly, indirectly, Congress will not tolerate such type of defectors. We are very clear about it.
तुम्ही अलायन्स वयता आसतना जर इजिदराक तिकेट दिवपाक गोवा फॉरवर्ड फुडें सरतालो, तुमी स्टँड कसो आसतालो?
Basically, ticket.
अपकमिंग असेंब्ली इलेक्शन
कमिंग असेंब्ली इलेक्शन डेड ऑर आसा. पूण झिलाचें आमी चोवपाक जाय. झिलाचें आमगे जेन्ना आमी एक नवी सुरवात जेन्ना करपाक सोदता गोंयकारांक मुखार घेवन, म्हाका दिसता द पीपल ऑफ गोवा वॉचिंग अस, there has to be a criteria. Winnability, yes, is the criteria, but that does not mean you protect certain elements that are responsible for creation of the BJP today. The BJP has been created based on these elements, and how can we get these elements or associate with these elements? I believe the Congress party will take a cautious call.
कॅन्डिडेट्स केन्ना येतात फायनलायज?
Candidates already आमगेले finalized system झालेले आसा. It's just a matter of declaring. Based when you are in talks of an alliance, it is a responsibility that you respect the alliance. And then these are the seats. That is why we have kept them. We have not announced them, but otherwise the Congress party is fully prepared.
कितले 30 seats घालता तुम्ही?
Now that I cannot
Vijay
tell you.
already today told that I will contesting 10, RGP 10 and Congress will.
That you can ask the party president about what party seats and the numbers. Right now, we are very sure that the Congress party is prepared. We are taking everyone along with एक नवी सुरवात जी पळया हे पोन्ने कॅसेट रिपीट करून फायट ना. सगळी नेयले पोन्ने त्यो जे पण पयलीं जाल्ले ते सगळे काबार. आतां नये सिस्टम, हे नये सिस्टमान म्हाका दिसता we have to go to the people, convince them that these people we are projecting, young faces, new faces, they will not defect. What guarantee will the people have? If the Congress party also starts admitting defectors, then what is the use? Where are we heading? That means we are indirectly also getting the BJP elected again. So this is Magadista, a very clear cut thing that the Congress party is based on principles, ideologies, and we will not tolerate defectors, because this is also the direction given by us, by our party chief Kharge ji, and also our leader Rahul Gandhi ji. He is against this type of defection.